4 bedrooms upstairs, a legal lower-level unit, and a fully fenced backyard. Welcome to 79 Beauchamp Drive in Cambridge. This newer home gives you a spacious family layout with added flexibility downstairs. The main level is bright and open with vaulted ceilings. The large kitchen is designed for cooking, gathering, and entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find 4 generous bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, giving the whole family room to live. The legal lower-level unit has its own private side entrance, 1 bedroom plus a den, a full kitchen, 3-piece bathroom, and separate laundry. This here is an ideal setup for extended family, long-term guests, or additional rental income to help offset the mortgage. Outside, the deck overlooks a fully fenced yard with plenty of room for summer dinners, kids, and pets. You're also close to parks, schools, shopping, and everything your family needs. To book a private showing, contact Kathy Long from RE/MAX Twin City Realty.